Pastor P. Calornay. Most friendly, John Carl T. Labayan. Winner gift donor, Mr. and Mrs. Armin Frances Luma. Most obedient, Mark Joseph A. Macho. Winner gift donor, Mr. and Mrs. Gilbert Parawan. Most generous, Chris Lawrence P. Pacunayen. Winner gift donor is Eden Pacunayen. Best in manipulated play, James Noel Q. Arbo. Winner gift donor, Mr. Raymond Abel. Best in number and letter recognition, Dean Angelo L. Placido. Winner gift donor, Mr. and Mrs. Frank Kenny Guillermo. Most behaved, Jasper L. Placido. Winner gift donor is Leslie Joyce Capillan. Best in manipulated play, Mark Christian A. Ranay. Winner gift donor is Mr. and Mrs. Melchor Alicante. Best in Usery and Arts, Khalil Santiago G. Uli. Winner gift donor is Mr. and Mrs. Fausto Uli. Best in Dancing and Rhymes, Lovely I. Atka. Winner gift donor is Germa Zidro.
Nag-visit yun. Paminsan ko. Ay, dakay ako.
Best in Writing and Drawing, Dave Alex P. R. Felipe. Winner gift donor, Miss Gabriel C. Rivera. Best in Writing and Dancing,